Wake up to nature's purest gift, fresh from the grove.
Glistening dewdrops reveal the vibrant life of every fruit.
Sun-drenched Florida and California provide the perfect growing conditions.
Even through the toughest storms, these resilient trees stand tall. Growers work tirelessly to protect crops from devastating tree diseases.
Vast orchards in Brazil help meet the global juice demand.
A perfect blend of global harvests ensures your morning glass. Choosing the right variety makes all the flavor difference.
Precise science determines exactly when each orange is ready.
Testing every single drop for the perfect sugar balance. The magic number is 10% for ultimate sweetness.
Careful selection ensures only the finest fruit makes it. Dedicated hands harvest nature's bounty with passion and care.
Specialized vehicles collect the harvest with incredible mechanical precision.
Gentle vibrations release the fruit without damaging the trees.
A sea of golden fruit fills the truck quickly.
Large gondola trailers prepare for the journey to processing. Massive shovels transfer the harvest into the shipping trailers.
Fresh fruit travels fast to reach the factory floor.
A massive logistical operation keeps the juice lines flowing.
Expert supervision guides the fruit to its final destination. Innovative platforms tilt the trucks to begin the process.
A golden waterfall of fruit rushes into the plant. The journey continues as oranges enter the washing station. Random samples are taken to ensure consistent quality standards.
Modern technology monitors every aspect of the juice production. High sugar content means a richer and sweeter taste.
Cleanliness is key for producing the best-tasting juice. Soft brushes scrub every orange until they are pristine.
Careful eyes remove any fruit that isn't absolutely perfect.
Only the best fruit advances to the final stages.
Micropunctures release essential oils for a burst of aroma.
Valuable oils are captured for use in many products.
Precision sorting places each orange into the right extractor.
Efficiency is key as oranges move to be juiced.
Advanced blades slice through the fruit with absolute precision.
Powerful reamers extract every single drop of delicious juice.
A symphony of machines works to produce fresh juice.
Alternate methods ensure maximum yield from every single orange. Expert quality control checks the juice at every stage.
Checking the consistency now.
Fresh orange pulp is stored to be added back.
Centrifuges spin rapidly to purify the natural orange oils.
The final oil is pure, potent, and incredibly fragrant. Sensory testing ensures the aroma meets our high standards. Processed remains are ready to become nutritious cattle feed.
Nothing goes to waste in this zero-waste production cycle.
Evaporators remove water to create a powerful juice concentrate.
Rich concentrate holds the intense flavor of many oranges.
Convenient frozen cans bring the grove to your freezer.
Just add water for a refreshing and nostalgic taste.
Flash pasteurization kills bacteria while preserving the fresh flavor.
Precision heating ensures safety without losing any nutritional value.
Rapid cooling locks in the freshness for longer. Massive tanks store millions of gallons in perfect conditions.
Safety and quality are monitored around the clock here.
The legacy of Anthony Rossi lives in every glass.
A tradition of excellence that started over 70 years.
Rich concentrate holds the intense flavor of many oranges.
Convenient frozen cans bring the Grove to your freezer.
Just add water for a refreshing and nostalgic taste.
Flash pasteurization kills bacteria while preserving the fresh flavor.
Precision heating ensures safety without losing any nutritional value.
Rapid cooling locks in the freshness for longer. Massive tanks store millions of gallons in perfect conditions.
Safety and quality are monitored around the clock here.
The legacy of Anthony Rossi lives in every glass.
A tradition of excellence that started over 70 years.
The bottling process starts with these small plastic preforms.
Intense heat prepares the plastic for its final shape. High-pressure air instantly transforms plastic into a bottle.
Sterile rinsing ensures a clean environment for the juice.
Filling hundreds of bottles per minute with precision speed. Automatic sensors prevent even a single drop of waste. Every bottle is weighed to guarantee the exact amount. Caps are applied tightly to seal in the freshness. Ultraviolet light scans for imperfections at extreme high speeds.
Any bottle that fails inspection is immediately removed.
A final tilt ensures the cap is perfectly sterile. Cooling the bottles prepares them for the final label. High-speed labels are applied to finish the product look. Each bottle gets its famous and recognizable branding now. Final human inspection ensures the product looks its best. Bottles are organized into packs for the final shipment. Heat shrinking provides a secure and durable outer layer. Robotic arms stack the packs onto shipping pallets effortlessly. Full pallets await their journey to your local supermarket. Final wrapping ensures stability during the long transport ahead. Digital approval marks the completion of the production cycle. Pallets are loaded onto refrigerated trucks for safe travel. Arrival at the store means freshness is finally here. Locked and ready, the juice begins its final trip. Heading out to bring fresh sunshine to your table.
Choosing the perfect juice for a healthy morning start. This one looks perfect.
Experience the vibrant and refreshing taste of pure sunshine.
Nothing beats the taste of a cold glass of OJ.
The ultimate companion to a perfect family breakfast meal. Enjoying life's simple pleasures with a refreshing fruit drink. Diving deep into the pure essence of fresh oranges. Pulp is added back to create your favorite texture. Blending for a consistent
and delicious flavor in every.
Whether you like it smooth or with extra texture.
Start your morning with a smile and healthy energy.
Bringing nature's best from the orchard directly to you. Quality you can trust, from our family to yours. Fill your glass with the pure taste of liquid sunshine.
Cheers to a bright and healthy start every day.